Hi guys, another day, another group of kits. So let's have a look. Now, just in from Valom, these are 72nd scale, BN2 Falkland Islands. This one's been out before, it's just got a new colour scheme for the Falkland Islands, and it's quite a nice kit as usual. Same sort of thing, just nicely done. One set of markings. So if you're looking for just that different scheme, they come in, or you're just looking for the Islander, just come pick one up. Also from Valom, this is the next in their series. This is the Vickers Valletta C1. This is Operation Musketeer. So this is the one that was used around the Suez issues. Again, one or two choices of markings. If you've already built the kit, you know what to expect. So we're just waiting on to see what else they do in this series. Hopefully we'll get all sorts of the Viking series. Just a quick one from Valom. I've just seen some information. Their next major kit is the C-46 Commando. If you haven't seen the aircraft, it's like a oversized Dakota. It's used and is still used around the world. So if you're looking for that sort of kit, that should be out. I believe it's due out about mid-June. They've done the Navy scheme first, so if you're interested in it, give us a yell. We'll put it on thing. From Retro Wings, this is two kits. They've done the Day Fighter and the Night Fighter. This is a company that's using AZ model kits, or AZ model kits at the moment. Whether they do other things and what else they're going to do, we haven't seen anything more, but this is called Retro Wings. This is the AZ 109Z, and they've done new markings and everything else. And there's the markings on the back. Italian, this is the Night Fighter, so they've got two German and an Italian one, so that looks pretty cool. So this is the twin 109, if you didn't know what that one was. This is the Day Fighter, so again, twin 109. A couple of interesting schemes. One really interesting one. There's two German and one Japanese done in the that green mottle scheme. So if you've done a Kawasaki Hein or something like that, you might want to do one of these just as a what if and put it beside it. It would look interesting. So there's that. We've also from Wolfpack. Now we've just been able to start getting these kits in. These are 48 scale. This is the T38 Talon. Wolfpack's actually an interesting company. They do other people's kits sometimes, but I believe this could be the Academy kit, but it's got new decals, it's got a mask, it's got a nice big book for it, bit of a guide to where the masks go. So these are quite nice kits. They've done, that's the Talon, and that's the Talon from Holman Air Force Base. I think they've got plans to do a couple of others in the future. This is the Premium Edition kit, I think. Yeah, this one's got etched metal in it, and it's also got a set of resin seats to go with it. So this just takes it up that next step. So these are pretty good. Yeah, so there's two different versions of that, so that's pretty cool. For the oldies and goldies, this has come back in. I've had one of these for years. I built it years and years ago. Haven't seen it for ages. With the demise of Revell in America and Monogram, Revell Germany took a lot of the molds that they wanted and to take back to Germany, which they're now producing out of Germany. But a company called Atlantis, which had been doing a few little bit of old nostalgia type kits, picked up all the other molds that the Revell Germany wasn't interested in. This is one of them. This is the Allison engine. This is 1/8 scale. Yeah, I believe it's 1/8 scale. This is the Allison engine, which you'll find in Hercules and Orions and a lot of Civi aircraft, things like that. It's fully working. When you turn these props, all four blades turn so that you can feather it or have it open up. As you spin this, there's all sorts of bits and pieces that will work through it, and it comes on the little stand. This has just come in recently. I'm not 100% sure on the price yet, but no, if you're just looking for that bit of nostalgia, or you're looking for just something to go beside your Hercules to show off the engine, then you can pick up one of these. Other than that, for now, we will say goodbye. See ya.